Hi friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up with making of the shirt collar with the easy pattern making to this transy blouse, heading back with the drop designing on this net. The materials required is half an meter for the bodice in the collar. Here I would be using the Kalankari printed fabric, same color plain fabric for the piping and hook and eye straps, and the cream color net of half an meter. I'll be designing the bodies with the princess cut pattern. The detailed video of making princess cut blouse I've shown earlier, but if you haven't watched it, the link is in front of your screen. Please check out. Now I'd lay this draft on the fabrics and cut accordingly. In the center for elevating, I'll be joining this piping. Place all the right sides together and join. The net is of 8 inches in length. The bodice from the chest line to the waistline would be using this Kalankari printed. You can see here 8 inches is with the net and the 8 inches is remaining fabric. Total length would be of 16 inches. Flip the seaming allowances down like this and give the top stitch. Now lay the center draft of the princess cut. Place it like this. Mark and cut accordingly. And for the sides, place on the two pieces, mark and cut accordingly. The measurements can be customized as per your requirement. You should take the fabrics from shoulder line to the chest line and from chest line to the waistline. Like this you have to divide with the two fabrics, joining the center with the piping. I've done with the cutting. Now I join the sides with the center piece. Also flip the seaming allowances towards the center side and give the top stitch. This is for the blouse of the princess cut. I'd be showing the shirt collar DIY, but following the same instructions you can design for the kurtis or for the bodies of the anarkalis. Also design for the crop tops for the long skirts. Fold the front panel into 2 layers. Mark the neck width of 3 inches on fold towards wrong side and the neck deep of 4 inches with the U-shaped neckline. Also trim the extras towards the armhole. Giving the center slit for the hook and eye straps. And if you are preparing kurti, you have to join the 1 inch strips for the button and buttonhole towards the center slit. Now I'll be using the plain strips for the hook and eye straps. This is 1 inch straight strip, so I'll be joining, placing this right on right and sew it. This transy necklines is very much trending. Place it right on right and start joining the strips with the center front. Almost done with the front. And for the back panel, the net is of 11 inches with bottom printed 5 inches. Join the center with the piping. Fold it into 2 layers towards wrong side. With 1 centimeter or half an inch neck deep, mark U-shaped neckline and the neck width of 3 inches. Place the draft pattern and cut the armholes. In the center of the back panel, give the markings of the drop shape like this. Cut on this shape. This is how it looks. Now I'd be joining the lace on the center back for the designing on this shape. If you like, you can also give the piping on this shape and then join with the lace. Align the shoulders of front and back and join the shoulder line towards wrong side with 1/4 inch seaming allowance. This is how the front and back panels would look. Now run the tape all around the neckline from center front and also the center back till it reaches to the another side of the center front. So total neckline length would be of 22 inches. Transforming the measurements on this interfacing, fold the interfacing into 2 layers and from the fold give the markings of 11 inches, which is half of the total length of the neck. Mark vertically 2.5 inches. This would be the collar length. From that point towards the center fold of 4 inches, give one marking or the point. From that point, mark 2/4 inches. That 2/4 inches point should be connected to the center fold. And again extend that point to the required length of 11 inches with the slanting line like this. You can increase or decrease the length and widths as per your requirement. Now you can notice that on the center fold I have marked 2/4 inches and towards the open sides it's of 2.5 inches. You would get this shape like this. Also you can give curve shape to these ends or extend the more slanting line for the defining of the collar ends. Now I'll cut on these marked lines. Now I'd lay this interfacing on the piece of fabric and get it pressed well. The shining part of the interfacing on the wrong side of the printed fabric. Downside of the collar, leave 1/4 inch and fold towards wrong side and press it. Also taking another piece of same length and width, placing right on right, join the 3 sides of the collar, leaving the bottom part of the collar. Place it right on right and join together adjacent to this interfacing. Trim off the extras and the corners like this. Turn inside out. Pull the corners like this using with the pencil to get the perfect shape. Now give the top stitch on all the 3 sides. Now start joining the inner collar with the body's wrong side. When it reaches to the center front, insert all the neckline in like this and lock it. Now join the bottom collar of the interfacing, sewing on the right side of the bodice without any folds. Start joining the collar with the neckline. Now join the sides for the finishing. Also for the armholes, I'll be joining this lace. Also join the waistband of 1 inch towards front and back for the concealing of the bottom hemline. For the armholes, I'll be joining the lace. And I am done with this shirt collar DIY, and the outcome is in front of you. See the assembling of the collar to this trancy bodice, embellished with this designer lace for the creating of the designer pattern. Really turned out the adorable outfit. This type of blouse is suitable for any types of sarees. You can also try this neckline for kurtis, bodies of the anarkalis, crop tops or for the lehenga blouses. Shirt collar is very much trending now. And this is towards the back side, folded collar, defining with this drop design. Try this, you'd love to wear it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave your valuable suggestions, recommendations in the comment section. And don't forget to like to support this video. Subscribe and stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.